Hi everyone. Today we will learn a very important thing, that is how to use our Android phone as webcam in Windows PC. Yes, now you need not purchase an webcam, but if you have a better phone camera then you are good enough to go. We will need a software called Irion both in our phone and PC. So, in my PC I download Irion. And simply installing it, it's easy. I am opening Irion webcam in my PC. Also in my phone, I am downloading this from Play Store. And it's installed. Make sure that both the device is connected to the same network or Wi-Fi. It's very important. Simply press dismiss and the phone app will automatically look for the nearest Irion PC app and connect its camera to the display of the computer. As you can see, my phone camera is now being used as a webcam in my computer, and now I can do all the tasks I could do with a physical webcam. I am in a dark room and thus the light is not much there. You can also revert the camera to back. Now, I can make calls via WhatsApp, attend meeting, and so on with this system in my desktop. So, this is how you can simply use your Android phone camera as webcam in Windows PC. Hope this video helped you and you loved this tutorial. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire us. Goodbye.